Creating in-text citations and reference lists using Microsoft Word. To use Microsoft Word to create in-text citations and your reference list, start by clicking on the References tab. Then select APA 6th edition from the Style drop-down menu. Click the Insert Citation button and add New Source. The Create Source dialog box will appear. Firstly, select your type of source from the drop-down menu. Also select Show All Bibliography Fields in the bottom left-hand corner to display an expanded form. The fields displaying a red asterisk are required fields. Fill in the details of your source. If your source has more than one author, click the Edit button at the end of the author field to add more authors. When you click the Edit button to add extra authors, the Edit Name dialog box will appear. You can add as many authors as you need. Those already added will appear in the box below the data input fields. You can also add a new source using the Manage Sources function. This allows you to add all of your sources before you start writing. You can also edit sources from here or delete those not required for your reference list. And you can preview how your source will appear in your reference list in the field at the bottom of the dialog box. Often you will want to cite from the same source multiple times within your assignment. You can reuse an already created source by selecting the Insert Citation button and clicking on the required source in the list displayed. In-text citations will need to appear differently depending on how you have worded your sentence, but Microsoft Word will only create in-text citations in one way, that is, in brackets at the point of your cursor. You may need to edit a citation to change how it appears. It might mean adding the citation more than once for a single citation. For example, within the sentence and again at the end to add a page number in the case of a direct quote. To edit a citation in order to remove an author's name or to add a page number, click inside the citation and then click Edit Citation. If you edit the source after you create your citation, you will need to update each citation you have created using that source. This is easily done by clicking the Update Citations and Bibliography option. In this example, the author's name is mentioned in the sentence, so you need to remove it from the in-text citation. Click inside the citation and click Edit Citation. Tick the boxes marked Author and Title in order to display only the year. Refer to a full referencing guide for information about how to include in-text citations. In this example, you need to add a page number at the end of the quotation. Add a page number in the Edit Citation dialog box and suppress the author, title and year from the in-text citation in order to display only the page number.
To make more complicated changes, you can convert the citation to plain text and make changes to the citation manually. You might need to do this if you are referring to more than one source within a single citation, or if the citation is for a personal communication, such as an email. To convert a citation to plain text, click inside the citation and then select Convert citation to static text.
When you have finished your assignment and finished adding your in-text citations, it is time to create your reference list. Click on the References tab, then select the Bibliography drop-down menu. A selection of reference lists or bibliography styles will be displayed. Click on the one you prefer. Lastly, click Insert Bibliography. Your reference list should appear on a separate page at the end of your assignment, in alphabetical order by author, or by title if there is no author. You should use double line spacing and a hanging indent for each reference list item. And there should be no live links. Microsoft Word will format your reference list in this required style. If you add extra sources or edit a source after you create your reference list, you can update the list. Click the top of the reference list table and select the Update Citations and Bibliography option. If you need help with your referencing, come to one of our workshops or drop into the library to make an appointment. You can get some on-the-spot help as well, and also pick up a guide. You can find us on level 2 of 349 Queen Street.